real carbon fiber. It's looking so good. The quality of the inside is so good in my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I really love the way it also reflects on the ground. F1 inspired. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all new BMW X6 Competition. But as you can already see, it's not a normal one. Right in front of us we have the LARTE Design X6 Competition. This thing is absolutely crazy. And in today's video I will give you a full tour of the exterior, showing you all the additional parts that LARTE Design has added. Afterwards we will be checking out the interior shortly and then listen to the sound of this X6 Competition. So let's start talking about the car itself. I mean, LARTE Design didn't work on the performance of this car. They mainly focus on building body kits and parts. Also for the GLE 63S Coupe, the video is coming soon or is already out. I'll be putting it here in the info box. The base model is still the all new 2022 model X6 Competition. The engine, we are talking about a 4.4 liter turbo V8 engine, pushing it up to 625 horsepower. So we have 612 with this one and 625 with this one, means that this is more power than the GLE 63S. But anyways, let's start with the walk around because there's so much to show you. First of all, LARTE Design has completely redone the front bonnet of this X6 Competition. Completely carbon fiber exposed. Real carbon fiber is looking so good. I really love the lines and the sporty touches here. Really suits the look of the X6 Competition. So all of this is done by LARTE Design. And if you drive an X6 Competition normal base X6, they have body kits and parts for you. I will be putting LARTE Design in the description below. So if you need a body part, a full set, anyways, they have parts for the BMW X6, for the G-Class, for the GLE 63. They have also for the Corvette and a lot of cars, so check them out. Full carbon fiber finish here on the grille side, but the grille itself is still the Competition 4 black gloss one. Also with the front camera here, everything is finished in carbon fiber. The headlights are stock from BMW. Really love the look of these, extremely angry. And here the front bumper, full finished in carbon fiber. All of this is done by LARTE Design. I really love this. It's real carbon fiber, and the touches they've made makes this car look so sporty. Even here with the decent LARTE Design badging, the front here with the full front splitter finished in carbon fiber. So all in all, guys, how do you like the look of this modified X6 by LARTE Design? Talking about the side, they have added a few more things on this car. For example, the wheels. These are 23 inches LARTE Design wheels. These are brand new. We have these finished in full black, and then also these additional carbon fiber inlays looking so cool. LARTE Design here in the center. How do you guys like it on the X6 Competition? Here on the side, again, a few more carbon fiber parts. The side mirror finished in carbon fiber. The side skirt full finished in carbon fiber. And also the rear here, again, 23 inches. Carbon fiber inlays looking so cool. Forged, made by LARTE Design. And now it's time to talk about the rear of this BMW X6 Competition by LARTE Design. And with the GLE 63S from LARTE Design, we have these vertically placed rear diffuser pipes. But with the X6 base model, you also have that. With the X6 M Competition, you don't have that, unfortunately. As you can see, we have the normal exhaust tips, but even these are modified, redone by LARTE Design. Full diffuser is finished in carbon fiber, and even here we have the additional brake lights, which look so cool. I will be showing them to you later on when we do the sound check. F1 inspired. I really love the way they have worked it out. We have 1-2, 1-2 on this side. With the GLE, for example, we have only 1 and 2. Also here on top we have the additional rear wing for the X6 Competition. Looking so good, guys. How do you like it? But now let's talk about the interior. Talking about the interior, as I mentioned, it's fully stock, and unfortunately LARTE Design didn't do anything here in the interior, but I would really love to see a full customized and modified interior by them as well. Maybe they will do it in the future, let's see. The BMW X6 M Competition entrance board, the floor mats, and also the seats, really looking nice. Let's just jump inside. Let me give you a quick tour of this as well. Afterwards we will be checking out the sound of this X6 M Competition badge here in the center. You can also put that up or down. There we go. In the inside, full carbon fiber finish and also with the nice ambient colors in the inside of this. We have a panorama roof here. Also this one is illuminated, which looks kind of cool. And also the steering wheel is full finished in leather, as you can see. Also with the airbag cover finished in leather. I really love the leather work inside the BMW X6 M. As you can see even here on the dashboard, everything is finished in leather. The seats full finished in leather, extremely sporty touches and look. Also here with the inlays. X6 M and the amazing leather work here, very luxurious. Finally, we have a bit more of light in the inside. As I mentioned, we have this full leather steering wheel finished also with a nice stitching here in blue and red, and also the M buttons here on top. The shift pedal, really cool to touch. The feeling, the quality of the inside is so good in my eyes. Also the roof is full finished in Alcantara. I really love it, full carbon fiber finish. And then we have the start stop button here, and we will be starting it up. Let me just start the ignition. The exhaust is already on, as you can see here. You can put that on or off with this button. So let's get on and start with a sound check. I will be putting the door open. 3, 2, 1. Okay. The exhaust is on. So let's go ahead and rev it a bit for you. How do you guys like the sound? Let's just jump outside and listen it from the outside. Let's go. So now it's time to experience the sound of the X6 M Competition here. And before we do that, let me also show you the brake lights of the rear diffuser here by LARTE Design. You see that? It's really cool, and I really love the way it also reflects on the ground. F1 inspired. So if you need that for your X6 M on base X6, go ahead and contact LARTE Design. But now let's start with the sound check. Let's go. Yeah, guys, I'm honest with you. You have a bit more horsepower than what you have with the GLE, but the sound of the X6 is meh. It's not that good. It doesn't really sound a lot like a V8. How do you guys like it? Leave it in the comment section below. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like this LARTE Design X6 M Competition? In my eyes, I really love the exterior package and also the body parts that they have added on, but I really think the sound is not that good. I hope LARTE also does something with the exhaust to make it sound way better, because the GLE sounds 10 times better than the X6. Would you guys like to see a comparison video between this and this? Please share that in the comment section below. All in all, before I finish it off, you can also see the bonnet that it's finished in full carbon fiber, and also with a LARTE badge here in the inside as well. That's it from me. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.